So that is probably everything that's been given to us by our two team to decide the right location for purchase. Now if we summarize everything, we can see that pros and cons with buying in areas with human settlements are, beginning with the pros. First and probably the most important one is that it will get the benefit of most emphasized point in this game, the foot traffic, and then it will get the benefit of search result and hence traffic inside the game, as obviously people know more about something in a town or city than some distant mine or other source of natural resource. It will also have better scope for reselling in future, as it is obvious that when Earth 2 grows, new people and especially non-gamers would prefer to purchase something in a known location and most probably some place they can relate to, and surely that would be somewhere in the city. Now another benefit is that less number of tiles are required to own a well-defined property in a city. Obviously a building or monument needs a lot less space than a mine, but this point will only be valuable when linking real Earth with Earth 2 and not exactly within Earth 2, because no artificial structure from this Earth will exist when phase 2 begins. This also means that buying something beside a great monument can be as valuable as buying the monument itself. And then, if interaction with neighbors matter in any positive way, the place inside a city would be more useful, because surely you are going to get more neighbors in city than at some mine. Now talking about cons with buying something in a city. As said, if the neighborhood matters in a positive way, it would be good inside a city, but if in case the interaction with neighbor affects negatively, like maybe looting of resources, then surely it won't be good choice to be inside a crowded city. And then in a city, there is possibility of being less noticeable to outsiders among huge number of crowded properties. So maybe a better option can be to choose a location a little off from the crowd, but still at a searchable location. And then tiles at most of the popular locations have already turned quite costly. So you need to spend more amount to buy comparatively a smaller location. And if you want to purchase a big property for any future project, there is less chance you are going to get it in a popular place. Most of the popular places are, if not completely taken, then at least dotted with scattered small properties. And then as popular places are being bought quite fast, there is less chance you can get a valuable location of your choice. So that was with areas of human settlement. Now coming to pros and cons with mines or other natural resources. In pros, the most important point is that the mines can possibly be a great source of expensive resources, and even if not expensive, they can be the better source of any kind of resources. And since there won't be as many neighbors as in city, anything negative that depends on number of neighbors will cause less problem at mines. Plus, there is also higher chance of getting bigger properties of whatever shape at a mine than in a city. So if you have plans of creating a mega city on Earth 2, it will surely be a better decision to do it at any mine instead of some place in the ocean or barren desert with nothing in it. And then at a mine, there is higher possibility that you can purchase a big property at comparatively lower price. But this can only happen if you buy property in some country with still cheaper tiles. Now coming to cons with buying mines or any natural resource. So it is sure that a place at a popular location would be useful in many ways, but it isn't as clear of how, when and up to what extent a mine will be able to produce the exact resource it is bought for. And also location of mines or any other natural resources are mostly away from human settlements and are quite unknown to people. So it is less likely to receive any benefit of human interaction, be it by foot traffic or searches and traffic inside the game. Though this can be overcome by creating a really big settlement at the mine itself so that users are attracted to it. So that was all of the data. My main intention behind this video was not to provide personal assumptions, but instead to put all the data at one place so that you can have a look on it at one time and decide what is best for you. At this point, I believe you have some personal understanding on this building versus mine question. So if you have any, please let me and other people know about it. And if you have any question, please feel free to ask.